Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Is this Citroen Berlingo the best fan? You would have seen me post a video last week on a Peugeot partner, but this is a Citroen Berlingo. Let's see what it's like.
Birmingham Symphony Orchestra conducted by Edward Gardner. Together they're recording this.
Okay, let's have a look at our controls. Got a radio here. Not sure what you can connect up to it. Got a little jack up there that you can plug in, and then got the aircon and so on down here. Fortunately, the aircon is still working in this car. Sometimes they need regassing. Turn the engine off. What else do we have here? We have the lock down here, and then this is for the front area and the back of the van. We've got a cigarette lighter / charger port here, and then over here we have the windows where we can slide the window down on the left and on the right. Hazard light. Over here, what we have down here also is we have another, down here we have another charge point, a USB charge point though, hidden down here, and we can pop the bonnet up from down there. Inside here we have our port where we can plug in our diagnostic reader, our ODB diagnostic reader, light and so on. Here we have a little, above the driver we have space to store things. I'm always reluctant to put things up here in case they drop down whilst I'm driving. So there's two seats at the front, they fold down. So we've got one here, and you can pop the seat back up, pull the string, it pops the seat back up. So here's the seat next to me. You can see this seat needs a bit of a clean. And here is the other seat. They have a passenger seat. You can pull the blue cord once again, and then this seat goes down. Down here, what do we have? We have the side light on, main light and off. Have our AC grills here. Same on this side. Down here we have our light position switch on the left, and then also we have our windows, so we can adjust our windows here. Our horn is here. Okay, it sounds a bit rattly here. Have our spare tyre underneath here. We've got our fuel and our AdBlue here. Citroen Menu. Let's see what we've got in the menu. Settings, back, time and date, okay, let's have a look. Languages, time and date, calendar. Go back to me. It's up to here. Driving, what do we have? Shows our distance, our miles per gallon, and it shows us when our fuel will run out. Shows us how well we're driving, our miles per gallon, what we get, how many miles per gallon, and so on. Our average speed. No fault or present warning it's got on here. quite comprehensive. It's got a few bits on here. What else do we have? Great. All right. Thank you for joining me. Until next time. Bye bye bye.